Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show y'all this makeup look that I have done for y'all. I got my inspiration from James Charles. It's kind of similar to the one that he did with his palette. I've always knew about this look, but I wanted to create like a video of it because I mean I've done it before, but I wanted to show y'all how I did it. Hope y'all like it. See y'all soon. Alright guys, welcome back. In case you are new to my channel, my name is Gabby Leon. So today I'm going to do a look that kind of inspired me by the James Charles palette, and as I said before, I really love this palette. It's like so colorful, and the brushes, as always, I'm going to go in with Morphe and do color. And so the first color I'm going to go in with is Brother, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna grab kind of like a skinny but like blendable brush, and I already have my primer over, and it's the same primer I always use. I go in with the Anastasia primer. I really love this one. So I'm gonna do one eye, and then later on I'll do the next one. I'm gonna pack and blend and pack and blend just to like soften it up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the color Pinkity Drinkity. This color is like very light. You can't really like tell if it's on or not, but it makes a difference. And so I'm just gonna go on the outside and just blend it out like this. And then I'm gonna go back in with the color Brother, and I'm just gonna pack some more on it. I'm gonna go back in with Pinkity Drinkity and blend it out a little bit. Now I'm gonna grab Playground, and I'm just going to add it around the blue as well, just to see how it looks. Kind of want to darken it a little bit more. And so I'm grabbing another skinny brush and then just pack it on there. We'll give it that deep blue color. So now that we've got this blue going, I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, and I'm gonna grab like a flat brush like this. And so I'm gonna go in with Cola, this color Cola. And this is gonna go on the outside of my eyes. Just gonna pack it on there. So you wanna go on the outside, and then you're gonna go in the inside of your eyelid. So now I'm gonna go in with Love That, this color right here, and this is kind of just like a purpley-ish, pinkish color. It's like magenta. And this you're gonna put on the side of the blue. You're just gonna pack it there, on this side and on this side. Now I'm going to put some concealer on. I go in with the ColourPop concealer, and it's Fair 02, so it's like a very light concealer. And I'm going to take a little tiny brush that looks like this, and that's where the bright pink is going to go. I'm going to put this on my eyelid. And I'm doing this because it really brings out the pink. Now I'm gonna grab this thin brush, and I'm gonna apply the pink. And the pink I'm gonna go in with is called Skip. It's this bright pink right here. And just pack it on there. Alright, so now what you can do is you can go back in with the other one and go in with Love That. And that's the same color, purple. I'm just gonna blend it now. Just blend the sides. Now for the bottom eyelashes, go ahead and go in with Brother, this color again that we started with, first blue. And then I'm gonna go back in with Playground, just a little bit. And then a little bit of cola. It's weird that this is called cola when it's not even like red. Just to like shimmer up our eyes, I'm gonna go in with Ring Light, this color right here. I'm gonna spray it with some MORPHE spray. And then just put it on the corner of my eyes. And up here. To bring out your eyes even more, I am going to put some glitter. So I'm gonna grab some of this glitter. Honestly, I've had this for a while. I don't even know where it's from, but you can grab like silver glitter or any kind of glitter you want. You can go in with some glitter glue. I always use the NYX glitter glue because I love it. It sticks really, really good. Put it in the pink area and then go ahead and put the glitter. And this just brings out your eyes even more. I don't know, guys, like I really love glitter. Just get glitter, just makes me happy. Doesn't it make it like so much better? Look at it, so much better. So let me put on my eyelashes and do the other side and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have applied my eyelashes and I have done my other side of the eye. And so this is the final look. I hope you guys really like it. I really love it. Honestly, like you can wear this going out, or I was even thinking like if you have like a gender reveal party and if you want to do some eyeshadow that's like blue and pink, you can also use this idea as well. But yeah, I hope you really guys like this look. I like fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And for more videos, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And yeah, thank y'all so much. Hopefully y'all like it. Different shots. I'm kidding. But yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye, beauties.